They're homemade though, these ones.
What is that?
Pudding.
Oh, really? Homemade?
I've had it before, it's really nice.
Oh, maybe a hot pot might be nice.
Not as hot. I'd like it on the side, maybe not hot. No,
美味しそうね。それ
samgyeopsal.
Is that like a barbecue pork? Bro- ブロッコリー。これは何？ポテト。ポテトのキムチ。餃子系の。And beef rib.
Oh no, it's ox.
Oxtail soup. そうめん。なんかすごい、なんかいっぱい入ってるよこれ。スプーンが入らない中に。
すごい。
すごい大きな。あら、見てこの大きなお肉。
わーわうわあ
美味しそうね。
This is the next Atlantic system moving through Scotland and Northern Ireland overnight into the early hours of Friday morning, and then through Friday daytime, likely to bring some impacts to Wales and England. Pushing away from southeast England through the day, behind it some sunshine again.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.